helicopter. Wow! Super cool.
don't think they're farts.
This is the 121 type topography here in Hawaii. Going to a lavender farm today. Lavender farm.
Happy anniversary.
We're at the lavender farm. The view is insane. Like, again, we live somewhere right down there.
You live there?
Yeah. And then, I don't know, we were over there for luau, like right around that bend. That's crazy.
Around on the other side of it.
Yeah. You can actually see both sides of the oceans, both sides of the islands at a certain angle. It's kind of crazy. Regrettably, the lavenders aren't in full bloom, but you can kind of see a purple hue. Pretty. We got lavender scones.
And supposedly, is this lavender jelly?
Supposedly lavender jelly, according to AJ's deaf ears. We'll have to double check.
Good.
How is the scone though?
I didn't try it.
Did you try it?
Not yet.
Mmm.
Is
That's
it
good.
good?
We got a really pretty view right here. Look at that view. Look at that view. The birds are so close to us. I love it. Oh, little birdie. Look how pretty. Lemon tree, some kind of fruit tree right there. That's another fruit tree. Ooh, it's really pretty. So we're looking at this grapevine, but then look at that little gecko dude.
Chameleon.
Nuance.
He has horns.
That's horns. Look at him. Oh, he's so cool. Really fuzzy, but he looks dope. It's just like it's like an alien plant, honestly. Look at the way it's like. I think it buds outward, so it doesn't look as bad. But when it's not full bloom,
Bad? It's cool.
ooh, it kind of grosses me out. I don't know
Look,
why.
there's one over there that's kind of fuller.
Rosemary. But this is a cool botanical garden.
Stairs.
Oh, there she goes, adventuring. These plants are cool. Yes, I know. More photos on your phone. Look how cool these guys are, though.
Look at this one.
Whoa. Good discovery. Wow, it's like only one of them, too. Wow, there's a bee on there. More weird plants. It's just cut, like pulled up in water, and then there's stuff in there. What the heck?
This one has a flower in it.
Oh yeah, this one's flowering over here. Good catch. Look at that. That's so weird. Weird. This is a weird botanical garden. And then there's like giant pine cone, but they're like mini trees. So weird. So weird. And then there's Bob the tripod. At the nursery, found a lot more ready lavender. Look how pretty they are. What do you think of the place? Thumbs up.
1 hour later.
What up, family? No, we waited an hour in that line. I feel like I just got out of prison with how long that took. But we got shaved,
It was worth it.
shaved ice. I almost said cream. No, it's worth it.
Shave ice.
Worth it.
Yeah. Yeah, I got. What is this?
What's the best one? I think this one's pretty good.
What did I get? This is mango,
Mango,
coconut,
Yeah.
and I think that one's passion fruit.
passion fruit. I like the passion fruit one.